I'm feeling
It's time for dinner. You feeling cold?
Awesome cooking but again.
I wanna give you this is all.
I wanna wear all my body. Okay.
Can you come? Are we full jacket?
I keep funny in the apple to movie. Or you want to
Musajaga na kon to ready. Asa ina ka on le na ko se dia per kung to.
Yes. Let Peter Michelle.
Ushubi. Kuma dupan.
Okay, there's all the copen. Place. Asan la.
Tam sa go puja. O se ki ka on. O se ki jacket.
Why you know more you to Netflix? Ekrasol. Mara li.
That's ni.
Mara ki to mi ne.
Manga pia nani litulana jana.
Asithanda zanga.
Kuzila wa kubona. Kuba mnutanda ka ukuzela nje. Hoy.
Oh, mara liya, mara wano mapalakan.
Isisi wana be warm.
Wano mapalakan na ship. Hindi aroma, yes.
Should I bring the blanket? Andi menzi mga family usari tofi time.
Hey, ukanianga nila kanya wali. Tabada ay. Yun ito yung lakat man. Pugera na so. Kaya kanila kanya siya lakat.
Satanis katse ni acha.
Na, yan na moralo ka. Na, tira ko niya yun.
Ni satisfied. Inga mo town.
Inga may hapela no kes. Ina wasmaila, mara yung ako na lipulimpin.
Just smile. No, I'm opening my mouth. My braces are hitting me. My braces are hitting me.
Ako na braces still hit her to me.
No, even through.
Ay, tuloy gaya me. I like to kiss her before. Yes,
Today, I regret if I do or something. Yabo? First day, you are impressed. Of Faga if I took Kota Baja, Tagamaton.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Oh.
Sabi mo patamua, dabang pala.
Ano, mas patakin tewan. Yung kamas do yet.
Bed is not ready.
Your bed is not bedding.
It's not what?
It's not bedding.
Nga mo if you have got I mean.
Wala na kali puro mawana, puro chikati. So wala na puro mamaro na yung room. Oh, kumana.
Sorry, Hitler.
Ay, pinutan. Baka dyan sabi dyan.
Chris Ujin.
Usa na.
Ujin. Ukuthi ko Chris uthi faster.
Ako to tsena kira kya wato.
Lenya male mele si fa ko traveche am homeless lenya male. So lenya male ko sinini.
Isi bozi je puri kira kya ma wato. Ya kumbul.
Si show good to tell from Jola the thing.
And I'm going to get out too.
What's the name?
No, so one.
Nisho.
I thought you said it.
What's the one join a piece on though?
What's the you said it prefer it to me?
Yeah, no.
Ke go botsa. O rara la ntile we yo. Re ke la aya.
Kuna gere ke mo sa tena ka di phaja. Wa tsebo. Wa ya la men leo.
Ma shayna ngentuku.
Can you blow some? We yazi. Masaya fan det libre fak. Wa shana ngentuku. We yazi. Ngizokubonisa. Usente njalo njengoba kwamendo.
Oh shit. Ga bona ga e batle letswang e sharp.
That's no.
O tlo bola ke letswang.
Ngifaka tswekile. Enjani iphuthu yakho? Ngathi i-rice. Aliyahamba. Bona.
Nabule bana.
Uzodo umntwana ke la. Nami ngichiso.
Ayiphozi.
Dlamini. Thank you for inspiring our project of giving back to the community. Thank you, sir. Can only thank God. Usasha mazika lapha uthi uDlamini bayahlala la. Ngizwile. Ngisho njalo vele. Ushilo lo. Lenhliziyo ngithi ngibuke Sasha.
Asanga lapho nisi. Yeah. Manje
Lapha esikade kahle endlini ne? Kunezinto Dlamini.
Mara bakuthesana lokho kiyo.
And bathi kune crash ingane phakathi.
Nene simanje idele na.
Umuntu bathi bajonjana ne?
Yeah.
Angithi bathi izindlu leza phakathi bakhave ngama-box.
Oh, basivide ngama-box.
Badivide ngama-box. So even if ukhiyile awukhiyanga kuyafana.
Nokuthela box ma.
No, normally like izindlu zinjalo. Like these abandoned buildings. Most of them inside basivide ngama-wood box whatever.
Mara hakino
Ama-plank.
Hakino kudira ngwana kitumudiyalo.
Kuye mina ngazi. Ingane bathi bayengaza.
Konzweni awuye enkonzweni.
Abaye baya.
Ufuna ube nesibindi mozo enkonzweni la. Ingabi nandaba ukuthi umakhelwane uzothi.
Kusho ukuthi ngizothula ke ngobhizi uye.
Angeke uthule kumnandi. Ngeke. Ngeke ufela ngaphakathi awusimbi. Yimve efela ngaphakathi. Cabanga ama-box. Wena ubhizi uyashaya. Makhelwane hayi wena.
Wena
Msindo.
yeah, is yona samhaura ratla go sithogeng esikangini.
Esigameni.
So kanga khona.
Cabanga uzoduduza esigameni.
So kanga khona ayithi
Dlamini.
respect to
Abantu homeless ne? Baya enkonzweni.
Futhi abekho abantu abayinkonzweni njengalaba.
yes. Nakhe
Hayi abekho abantu abayinkonzweni njengalaba. Hayi ayikhohlwa. Khohlwa. Iyaziwa inkonzo lapha.
kanjani mara Dlamini. Ara plastic.
Nina samele implangi nithi lengane lema ingaba khona. Ngizomondla ngani? Ngizoyifundisa ngani? Ngizoyinakekela ngani? Mayigula ngizokwenza bona wacabanga lokho.
Ngilo ngwana
So baba pregnant.
Sobona phambili.
boni bana mara. So mara
No.
boni ba.
No, phela lapha akendlini, lapha akusendlini phela.
Bara betila ka box ka magare.
No, ngikhumula ngala abahlala ama-bridging.
Lawa ngizibona ukuthi ningane.
Awuna mthako njalo.
Asangobona wala pregnant.
Akona mthako njalo ngwana ko tsinde bala bathi.
So ba preventa John.
Shoot abayi.
Abayi.
Abayi nkonzweni.
Mara use abayikho abantu baya enkonzweni njengalaba.
Ngisho laba abahlala.
Oh. So when the time you like bohlala estradeni asanga wabona something like that.
Hayi.
Kwikinyana.
Lutho.
Ara sa to plan.
Nina ngizoplan mina.
Aba plan lo dira no ya chai.
Papi asiyona namhlanje.
Awona mafefo, awona ukudiblo so there's no way they cover sap. Little Lubishama, little Kitimisa. Yeah, so.
Ngeke ungidliza ngithi. Ngeke ungidliza.
Baphela sponge.
Wasinjisha ka.
Koji Sansisho.
Ukuthi ngikuthanda kakhulu.
Hayi, awazi ngibujile boka fenomena wathi nje. So awazi. Akipidi mollo nje wena. Parata matsoto no marata.
Mo amrati futhi awumrati.
Yes, so kaste mtu marata. That's very wrong. Witse talent.
Bupri. Lo beplan ukuthi uzoyihambisa kuphi kuphi. Akungala yakhona manje.
Wayevele linganike ure inyama ukuthi ahambe naye ke.
Uzamufika kona invite ni.
Mndasha.
Okay.
Ngayibuza question. Question.
No, tell her enough. Thank you, I'm done. Sorry. So, I didn't mean so.
We are sorry, but guilty.
Asikhulume ngama-comments guys. Ama-comments.
Sasha. Ama-comment esowafundile wena athi.
Athi. The last time we gave it, but God bless us.
That's nice.
And well. Akusawupola.
Mana mlungu.
King back.
Ngiyabonga lento oqeda ukisho manje. Eish.
Ephe.
Wazi manje endlini namhlanje ngitshela into ngikhuluma ngayo but singikho ngiyabonga. Thank you for reminding me.
Oh, no rutulela ka comment.
Yeah.
Yini comment? Bathi wenzani manje? Sibashaye manje.
Kunomunye umama. Lo mama la commentanga. Kodwa ungisendele isukeni.
Umqala ichakalaka.
Phelile askiz. Serious.
Isasho pay chocolate encane.
We bought a lot of things.
The reason why I say that because gata andera to buja so no go sne.
But I think we bought a lot. We bought a she's lying. We bought a lot because I told you ukuthi ngifuna udla namhlanje.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking, I'm serious.
Mina mbonile ipali
Yeah. Oh, cheka. Yeah? Banana ka.
This is why Ray is supposed to be here. Because
Oh, yeah, wait.
no.
Tenesa siyekile le.
Because I said we bought a lot of things because I said I want more chakalaka today.
No, it's because someone left and then someone was like it means Ramainas and means I can pay the pins it in because
Manje nina I'm hungry.
yes, it's better to do like what.
I don't want to eat meat alone. Let's see again.
Je eerder get the chop it and then don't forget to figure completely yeah.
athi angibizanga kodwa mina angibizanga ngonikhamba uthe mfana wami athi mfana wami ya singithashile isitori saka mama lo athi mfana wami ngiyabonga for sharing isitori sakho but mina I have a problem ngingane mfana that's what she said kunkulu ufakazi lethi ngokukhuluma manje lo mama mayizoyibona le nto uzokwazi ukuthi ngikuqiniso athi ngingane mfana njengomzali ingane yami umfana ngiyithanda kodwa ingane yami ayingiphethe kahle ngiyahlupheka ngenxa lengane ngiyasebenza ngisebenzela lengane ingane yami intshontsha izinto endlini ingane yami ngikhuluma naye yangithethisa ingane yami ayingilaleli ingane yami iphuza utshwala ingane yami ibheka ama-drugs athi ngiyacela into eyenza ukuthi ngithathe is because akangibizanga ngoDlamini akangibizanga welcome uthe mfana wami imama athi ngiyacela wenza isikhathi ufike la ngihlala khona angifuni wenza into eningi ngifuna nje ukuthi ukhulume naye uhlale phansi naye ukhulume naye maybe who knows angakulalela wena ngaphendula ngathini kulo mama ngathi mawami anginankinga nalento eshoyo ngizocela ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi uhlala kuphi ungazise nokuthi ngifike nini ngizokwenza isikhathi ngizofika ngizoya ngisalinde yena ukuthi angiphendule angitshela ukuthi ngihlala endaweni esofika ngilami ukuthi
Wow.
once ngathola leyo mpendulo I'll even tell you mlungu ngizoya kuya mama ngizoya ngihambe ngikhulume nomfana wakhe angisunkulunkulu angenzi magic but I know and I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu the one who used me ukuthi ngikhulume lento engiyikhulumile he will use me ukuthi lo mfana ngilalele ayekele izinto ezenza alalele umamazi
Powerful.
So, babateli bo bahlaka manje.
Gosh, man.
hayi ngithe ngimangihlelezile ngithe now I'm beginning to understand why uNkulunkulu engilethe kule mlungwami there's a reason why I'm here there's a reason ngihlangane nawe akuhlangana there's a reason why I'm here now I'm beginning to understand ukuthi why
Vele nihlangane kanjani?
yabona le angifuni sikhulume ukuthi sihlangane kanjani mlungu the day you decide ukuthi abantu they have to know why sihlangane kanjani uzongitshela bafuna ukwazi abantu ukuthi sihlangane kanjani tell them one day
Maybe so mase maybe ikhona yenye into ngifuna usiyenze after here so maybe sizokhuluma there's something I have.
okay.
You know Dlamini no? But you were wearing a gown.
I'm feeling cold.
There's one thing I've realized ukuthi yabo in life if you believe in God you will actually see what things don't happen by mistake. I mean out of all the people that's supposed to be working with us, I mean I didn't know where you're from. I didn't know you at all.
That's all.
So my point gore, if something is meant for you, it's meant for you.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Because sometimes when I think about how we met, I'm like, yeah, yazi uNkulunkulu. Yazi izinto zakhe.
Yeah. Ngendlela yakhe. Ngendlela yakhe.
You can go to bed if you're feeling cold.
Uzawulunga. Ayinto engalunga.
Uzolunga. And Dlamini I wanna, as we're still here talking about comments I wanna mention something. Because I feel like sometimes when people comment, they comment based on what they see. You get me? They comment based on what they see and they don't care about ukuthi omunye umuntu ufila kanjani.
Sure.
You understand? So